Imagine your mind is a crowded room. Every shelf stuffed with worry, every chair taken by noise. You try to move, but you bump into thoughts: what if, what then, what next? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're overloaded. Today, I'm going to tell you a simple story. A story about one choice that cleared a life in one afternoon. Stay with me for 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear, easy method to empty your mind on demand. No mystic tricks. No perfect morning routine. Just a human story, a shift you can use today, and a decision you'll be glad you made by tonight. Let's begin. Maya lived in a busy city. She worked hard. She wanted to build something great, but her head felt like a browser with 50 tabs open. She woke up with urgency and went to bed with a buzzing brain. Her big pitch was into days, and she couldn't land one clean sentence. Every time she practiced, her own thoughts talked over her. On the train to work, a title flashed on her screen: "Be Water, My Friend Bruce Lee." She didn't even click it, but the words burned into her mind: be water, not stone, not stuck. Water. That evening, Maya stayed late at the co-working space. A quiet man who cleaned the place passed by. He saw her rubbing her temples, staring at a frozen slide. He smiled. "Too many apps open?" Maya gave a tired laugh. "In my head, yes." He held out his phone. The screen was a mess of windows layered on top of each other. He swiped them up, one by one, until the screen went clean. People think clarity comes from adding, but often it comes from closing. He pulled out a sticky note. "Write down everything shouting in your head. Not neat, not smart. Just empty it," Maya wrote. She wrote fears, deadlines, names, numbers, doubts. She wrote ugly thoughts she never said out loud. The stack grew. Her shoulders dropped. He drew a small empty square on the last note. "This is the room you work in. Only one thing goes in here at a time. Everything else waits outside." That's how your brain breathes. Walking home, Maya looked at the rain on the street. Water found a path without fighting. It didn't argue with the curb. It flowed. The next morning, she tried a new start. No heroic routine. She sat at her desk. She put her phone face down. She set a 20-minute timer. She picked one slide, one sentence. She breathed in, breathed out, and emptied the rest. When her mind tried to drag in 10 other tasks, she whispered one line: "Not now. The room is full." 20 minutes later, the sentence was crisp. Then another. Then a story formed. Not perfect, but clean. The pitch. The power of an empty room in pitch day. The old noise tried to come back. What if they don't like it? What if I forget? What if I fail? Maya touched the empty square she had drawn on her wrist with a pen. One room. One voice. One idea.
She spoke the way water moves: direct, simple, steady. Not to impress. To be clear. She did not try to sound like everyone else. She said the truth in short lines. This is the problem. This is our fix. This is why it matters. She didn't win first place. She didn't need to. She won something better. A calm she could trust. 2 people asked to meet after the event. One became a partner. Her life didn't pivot in a dramatic montage. It turned one quiet click at a time. The noise did not rule her anymore. What Maya learned, and you can to your brain, isn't broken. It's just full. Energy returns when you remove, not when you add. Clarity beats clever. Always. You don't need more time. You need more empty. The MPTY method. Use this today. Exhale twice. Long out breaths tell your body, we are safe. Try for seconds in, 6 seconds out, twice. Mind dump. On paper, not in your head. Write every thought, task, fear, and idea. No order. Empty the drawer. Pick one. Circle the single next action that moves your day forward. One thing only. Time box it. Set a 15 to 25 minute timer. Close all other tabs, apps, and doors. Do only that one thing until the timer ends. Why yield to the present? For 60 seconds, feel the chair under you, your breath, the weight of your hands. Let your nervous system settle. Then begin. Repeat this as many times as you need. When your mind crowds again, return to the empty square. The room is for one task. Everything else waits outside. Water doesn't force. It finds a path. If you forget, remember this, write it down to put it down. One room. One task. Be water. Flow around what blocks you. Empty first, then act. Your next 5 minutes. Right after this video. 1. Grab a scrap of paper. Dump your mind for 2 minutes. Everything. 2. Circle one action you can finish in 15 to 25 minutes. 3. Set a timer. Put your phone away. Do that one thing. 4. When the timer ends, stand up, breathe, and ask, what's the next one thing? Do this once today. Tomorrow, do it again. That's how rooms stay clear. That's how lives change. If this story helped you breathe a little easier and see a little clearer, tap like so it can reach someone who needs it today. For more simple, human stories that move you forward, subscribe to the channel. This is Talking Evan. Thanks for being here.